Hello, welcome to my channel. I've been working with ceramics for 15 years now, and my pieces have been featured in magazines like the Dutch VT Wonen and Seasons, and even in the American Sweet Pole magazine and Australian Country Style magazine. I love trying new things, following my own path and creating whatever ideas come to my mind. On this channel, I'm not here to show you the right way, just my way, and hopefully inspire you to find yours too. After rolling out the clay, my trusty cookie cutters come in handy once again. I press out a piece of clay about 2 centimeters thick. I'll show you. It's not super precise, but I'm not aiming for perfection either. Just around 2 centimeters. After that, I smooth it out a bit, roll it, flatten it slightly and press it down some more. That is how I shape the circle. I start by rolling out some clay to form a cylinder. You can use one hand or both. Then I cut the cylinder into pieces. I smooth out the edges a bit, press them down, roll them some more, and then very gently I shape a small leaf from the end of the cylinder. The end or the beginning, doesn't matter. I smooth it out, shape it with my fingers, making sure the tips come to a nice point. The cylinder I'm rolling is about 1 centimeter thick. Now let's make a smaller leaf from a slightly thinner cylinder, about 0.7. centimeters in diameter. I'm not being too precise, remember. No perfection here on this channel. And here comes the heat blower. You can use a paint stripper like I do, or a regular hair dryer, but make sure to have something to block the air so the little cylinders don't blow away. Now they're a bit drier and harder. Pay attention when it's going to be fast. And now you can easily press them into the circle we made earlier. I'm using the smallest leaf for this. You have a cute little stamping wheel. You can also make a larger one using the bigger leaf. The choice is yours. Drying the clay stamps is a technique I often use to test them. If I like the outcome, I'll bisque fire them, which makes them much more durable. So in the end I work with bisque fired stamps. But with this method you can see results quickly and create something fun right away.